Last week, I had asked you to remain long on NG if you see it trading above $6 levels, 6.8 and $7 levels are the target. Towards the closer of the week, it has precisely achieved and closed above $7 levels. Now, what is going to happen next week? Which position we should take in order to make profit? What should be our strategy trading NG? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Yes, I share my daily analysis on NG before the Asia session, so do watch that also. And if you are interested in other markets and commodities including gold, silver, crude oil, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100 Germany, you can watch those analysis on daily basis as well. So do press the bell icon. Let's start the weekly analysis. Now this is the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, you can see NG has come out of this. It was a, you can say, lower lows were getting created and then double bottom has been formed, and this time it has given a good breakout. Now whether it is going to achieve a further high, let's have a further detailed look. See, if you look at this, it is earlier created the base out there. It has come out to these levels again and trying to retrace back again on the upside. Be watchful of this. It may create this as base and retrace back again on the upside. So also one must not forget, it has given a flat closer towards the week, that is at the top there. Only one thing is possible, that it may try to, because that was a bullish ending, it can give you a bullish opening again and possibly may lead to a rise. And if this time it rises, this is again going to be an extreme bullish rise. We will see with the help of daily charts how far this can go, but be cautious here too. As you can see, it is formed a double bottom and creating higher highs. I will be watchful next week of 6.4, 6.5 zone. This is going to be an important support zone, as always have been. Previously I told you, while dropping also, this may give a support and then it may achieve the levels at 5.4, 5.5. Precisely, it has achieved those levels, trying to bounce back. On the upside, the next target is going to be $8 levels, which is going to be a very strong resistance. We have seen it getting resistance earlier. Now this may again prove out to be a good resistance level on the upside. So be watchful of this. But this is just on the weekly charts. Let's have a more detailed look on the daily charts as well. Now look at the daily chart. See, it is trading with a bullish bias. No doubt on that. Also look at this. This has come out of this consolidation. It is traded sideways and now given a stronger bullish candle. Also look at the previous day's candle. It was almost a candle of indecision and a flat closure. I expect NG to resume this bullish move and not to break out below 6.5 anytime soon. I think it may continue with the bullish move and continue giving the bullish candles or the greener candles. As this is the first candle, after this indecision we can expect it to give couple more greener candles, which might take it to this zone. So at least this zone is certain, which is at around 7.5, 7.6. at least this zone is certain. It may achieve this, and the next at 8 and 8.2. It may try to achieve this levels before it looks forward to any further retracement. Be watchful of this. Also on the daily charts, one must not forget that after this strong bearish move, it is now trying to reverse and retrace back a bit. Yes, 8 and 8.2 dollar levels should provide a stronger resistance on the upside. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look on the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, see, such a bullish candle it has given towards the close, and yes, it is a flat closer. Probably it may resume with this bullish move. One candle, probably couple more green candles can come out there. Also one must not forget that it can give you a gap up opening, because it was a bullish close. It may give you a gap up opening, which might lead to make NG to continue in the bullish zone, achieve the targets fast and then retrace back a bit on the downside. So be cautious of this. It can give you a gap up opening on Monday and achieve this zone. At least 7.5, 7.6 levels should get achieved before it looks forward to a retracement. And on the upside, if it continues to rise, the next target is 8, 8.2 levels. So be watchful of that. Now this is on the 4-hour charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle and then we'll come back to indicators. Look at this on the monthly chart. See, this greener candles, higher highs have been done, and after that we can see a good fall. Now with the creating a double bottom, it is trying to rise. Probably if it tries to rise again next week, we may see it hitting 8, 8.2 levels, which is again going to be a very strong resistance. And from there, if it continues to rise from there, then higher highs are definitely inevitable, and then maybe this month itself we may see higher highs, or probably towards next month it can achieve further highs from what we have achieved earlier, that is close to $10. Now this time it may cross $10 levels also. As I have told you multiple times that if it crosses the long term target on NGC, it has already come out of this. Now it is looking forward to $14 and $15 levels in near future. So it may achieve those targets before looking forward to a retracement on the downside, as it has come out of this zone in which it was trading for multiple years. It has come out of this. Now it is giving you higher highs. So on the monthly charts, it is still trying to trade in this channel. Higher lows and higher highs are getting created. Now it is again trying to achieve those levels. So be watchful, be careful. And yes, 6.5, 6.6 next week should be a very good support. This is what we can observe. Now let's have a look with the help of indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? If you look at the indicators here, see it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands on the 4-hour charts, trading at the top of it. The support here at 6.6 is very strong. You can see multiple candles on the 4-hour charts getting the support there, and hence again I'll recommend you to be watchful of 6.6, 6.5 zone. If it breaks below 6.5, yes, that time you can go short for 6.2 and below levels. Else till the time it trades above 6.5, we can still remain bullish. Directional movement is anyways bullish on the 4-hour charts. Stochastic is overbought, hence it may give you a gap up and then probably retrace down from there a little. The MACD is wide, divergent and bullish. This is only just second green candle. It can continue with this bullish zone. Overbought on the 4-hour charts, and hence be watchful. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you may find here is the 20 period moving average lying at around 6.2 levels. Now these are going to be a strong support zone. It is coming out of it now and trading above the 200-day moving average. Now looking forward to trade above the 100 period moving average lying at around 7.2 and 7.4. Beyond this, it will try to hit 8.2 levels. So I will be watchful of 7.4, 7.5 zone, and then it can try to rise more till towards 8.2 levels. 8.2 definitely should provide a stronger resistance. Also, one must not forget it is trading at the extremes of the Bollinger Bands, hence it has to trade sideways, and then 6.5 level should provide a support. If it breaks below 6.5, yes, it can go bearish. At the same time, if it breaks out of this zone, it can give you another strong bullish candle. Now this is on the daily charts, and if you look at the directional movement has crossed over and it is looking forward to a bullish move. The stochastic is again entering into overbought levels. The MACD is anyways wide, divergent and is still bullish. RSI is looking upwards too, indicating of more bullishness there. If you look at the weekly charts, it is trading above the 20 weeks average. It was at the bottom couple of weeks back. We can see it was nearly at the bottom here at 50 period moving average. Now it is trading above the 20 period moving average, indicating of near term bullishness, and probably it may further diverge from here. Directional movement, see it is diverging and it is already bullish. Stochastic was oversold, now looking upwards. MACD was also on sell side, now trying to trade parallel and trying to cross over for a bullish move. RSI too is looking upwards, curving upwards, indicative of bullishness. And if you look at the monthly candle, on the monthly candle, it is far away and distant apart from the 20, 50, 100 moving average, indicative that it is definitely trading in a bullish zone. And if you look at the directional movement is bullish here, the stochastic is looking downwards, and if you look at the MACD, this is wide, divergent and bullish here. The RSI is looking upwards too. So right now it appears it may continue and resume the bullish zone. It may continue and resume the bull run. 7.4, 7.5 zone may provide a little resistance. Beyond that, it is going to hit 8.2 levels. So be watchful of that. It can try to give you a gap up opening and then open at around 7.3, 7.4 zone, achieve 7.5 and try to retrace a little on the downside from those levels, fill the gap and try to trade up again. So now considering this, I have given you the levels. Now I will give you the strategy and levels to trade and watch out for next week. First, let's talk about the levels to go long. And before I give you the levels, yes, if you want to gain the same expertise and art of understanding the markets and trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 15th batch is starting soon. The strategies taught, the methodology taught definitely will help you become a profitable trader. And yes, this is a 15-day session, 90 minutes daily definitely, and a lifetime support will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. Now look at this. See, if you see it trading beyond 7.12 next week, go long, and then one can expect that it is going to hit 7.28 the first resistance and 7.4 the next resistance. See, 7.4 and 7.5, be watchful of these two numbers. It is going to give you a little resistance on the upside. You can try to close some of your trades here and watch how it behaves in this level. Beyond 7.5, I'll expect it to hit, see, nearest resistance at 7.62. After that, it will try to hit $8 levels, and 8 and 8.2 are going to be a little stronger resistance for NG to trade above. Be watchful. It can again try to achieve those level and try to drop a bit from there. Above 8.2, sky is the limit. 8.4, 8.6 cannot be denied, but whether it is going to happen in a week or so, that we need to be watchful of. On the downside, yes, if you see it trading below 6.95, go short for 6.8, then 6.62 and 6.5. See, these levels are again going to be important on the downside. So see, 6.5 and 7.5, be watchful of this zone. Any move above and below definitely should bring more bearishness and bullishness accordingly. So if it drops below 6.5, my next target is directly going to be 6.2 levels. Below this, you can expect 6 to provide a support. Below this, sky is the limit on the downside. So what should a smart trader do? One can enter here, close some of your trades here, and if you see it trading in the same direction, put the stop loss here and continue trading here. One can always re-enter. If you see it consolidating here, close the trades and try to re-enter if you see it trading again in the same direction, bullish direction. Else, be watchful of the drop. Either you can go short there and be watchful at 7.28, how it behaves there. If it again reverses from there, you can re-enter again. So take the trades accordingly. Always keep shifting your stop loss to cost. Or in first, if you see it trading in the same direction and continuing with the same momentum, you can shift your stop loss to the first target. Let's say it achieves this, then your stop loss should be this, and then you can continue with the trade. At least you are saving your this much of profits, and if these profits are saved, you can definitely increase your wealth and definitely trade with more confidence next time as your trade is closed in green. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, and yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.